Hi guys, and thank you for selecting this video. Welcome to Excited for Coupons. I want to share with you the best deals that we could expect at CVS this Sunday, January 21st. So let's just get started. The next item is for the Venus Razor. You could buy two for $8.99. You pay the total will be $17.98. You could use the P&G coupon, deducting 3 off 1. And also any CVS coupons that you have will be very helpful for this deal. Let's say you got the one that deducts 3 off 15. So you pay $8.98, you get 6 ECB, making this just $2.98. This deal is a good one, but it's also one that has been going on for a few weeks now. This is another a week that you could be able to take advantage of this deal. So buy 4 of the boosts at $6.99. The total will be $27.96, but then you could use 2 of those coupons that deduct $7 when you buy 2. So deduct $14. You pay $13.96, but you get back 10 ECB when you buy 4, making this a total of $3.96 or 99 cents each. This deal is a freebie, and it's been a while since we got the Lady Speed Stick to be free. So what you could do is buy 4. They're going to be 2 for $5, so the total will be $10. We're expecting coupons this Sunday, January 21st, of a BOGO coupon. So you use 2 of those, so you pay $5. You get 5 ECB when you spend 10, so making this free. The right guard deal is you buy 2. Is 2 for $6, and if you buy one at regular price will be $3.49. So you could buy 2 of those, and then one's going to be $3.49. But we should be getting a coupon this Sunday as well that it says buy 2 get 1. So you're going to pay 6 once it deducts the $3.49, and then you get back 4 ECB when you buy 3, making this $2 or 67 cents each deodorant. This is another great deal we keep seeing for these following weeks, but there's also an Ibotta offer. Giving you back 50 cents. What you could do is buy 4, 2 for 8, so the total will be 16. You could use 2 of those coupons, deducting 4 each time. And also if you have the CVS coupon, deducting $14, or depending which one you received, you'll pay $5 out of pocket, but then you get 5 ECBs when you spend 15, and submit it to Ibotta, so it will be free and 50 cents moneymaker. For the Wet n Wild, it's not an ECB you'll get back. It's just going to be BOGO. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. So here's a deal idea. You could buy 2 of the lipstick that are $2.39. You're going to get 1 for $2.39. The one's going to be $1.20. You could use 2 coupons from the Smart Source, $1.14. And you pay $1.59 or just 79 cents for each lipstick. For this Lysol item, it's going to be buy 1 get 1, so you could buy 2 for $3.49, but you should deduct the other amount because it's buy 1 get 1. You could use 2 coupons deducting 50 cents for each one, so deduct $1. So you're going to pay $2.49 or $1.24 each. This one could be free as well because it's Hershey's BOGO, and we do have a BOGO coupon. Just make sure you activate that from your CVS app. I did activate mine once it was available, so just make sure you do that first. And if you do that, you're going to be able to get both items free. Here's another great deal that you don't get any ECBs, and it's just buy the item, give in your coupon, and that is it for that transaction. So this one is just buy 1. They're going to be at $4.99. You could use the coupon that we're expecting this Sunday, deducting $3, and your total will be just paying out of pocket just $1.99. Some of the items are going to be on special for $10. If you buy 2, it will be $20, since you get 5 ECB when you buy 20. So just buy 2 of those. Use 2 coupons for the Smart Source, 1.7, deducting $2 each. So deduct $4. You pay 16, but you get back 5 ECB, making this a total of $11 or $5.50 each. The Physicians Formula, you need to spend $15 to get 10 ECB back, and there is no coupons. So here are some. One of the ideas is to buy of this eyeliner. The cost at $5.79. You could purchase 3. You reach $17.37. You could pay that amount since there's no coupons. You get back 10 ECB, making this a total of $7.37 or $2.46. Another great idea could be also mix and match with the makeup remover. What a great time to start getting ready for Valentine's. And this is the deal for the Valentine's M&Ms. You could buy 4 and it's going to be 4 for $10. You could use 2 coupons from the Red Plum 17, deducting $1 when you buy 2. So it's going to deduct a total of $2, so you're going to pay $8. When you buy 4, you're going to get 1 ECB, making this a total of $7 or $1.75 for each bag. I'm happy to see more of the LA Girl cosmetics in CVS, and there is a deal that if you spend 10, you get 4 ECB. So I'm sharing a few scenarios since this concealer is very famous. What you could do is buy 3 for $3.99. The total will be $11.97. That's how much you will pay, but you get back 4 ECBs. Your total will be $7.97 or $2.66. Another idea could be purchasing this liquid lipstick that costs $4.99. You buy 2 of those, it will be $9.98, and that's how much you'll pay, but you get back 4 ECB since you already reached $10, and your total will be $5.98 or $2.99 each. This is one of the best Maybelline deal. You could buy 2 of the single eyeshadow for $3.59 and your total will be $7.18. You could use 2 of the coupons deducting $1 each and you'll pay $5.18. You'll get back 5 ECB when you buy 2, making it a total of 18 cents or 9 cents for each item. We are expecting a buy one get one for the mascara for the Red Blonde item on this Sunday's paper. So this is an idea. You could buy 1 of the eyeshadow palette and the mascara, and those are the prices that I shared, so your total will be $15.98. Use one of those BOGO coupons to read the fine print and just pay $6.99. You get back 5 ECB, making it a total of $1.99 or just 99 cents each item. Another L'Oreal idea, which I am liking because this foundation is a little bit more expensive, but it's going to be on special for $10.99. And you could also buy the single eyeshadow for $5.99, a total of $16.98. Use some of those coupons, one deducting $3, the other one deducted $1. You pay $12.98. You get back a 5 ECB, making it a total of $7.98. Or $3.99 each. Like I said, this foundation is going to be on special, so you're already saving just on the special price. Another deal idea that I noticed, that is another lipstick from L'Oreal that is also going to be on special, and it's going to be on special for $7.99. Let's say you buy 2 of those, it will be $15.98. You could use 2 of those coupons, it will be $13.98 that you will pay, but then you get back 5 ECB when you spend $15, and your total will be $8.98 or $4.49 each. I wanted to share those deal scenarios since those are the ones that I did see in the ad that are going to be on special, and just in case you want to try those out, that's why I wanted to share it on this video. I always love to see what is upcoming, what I need to get prepared for, and then I start my list. Like I said, I like to do my list on my spreadsheet. That way I am very prepared before heading out, and also you never know which coupons might come out once they print on Sunday on the CVS machine. So it's always good to be prepared, and these are the ones that I've seen that are best. If I see any other ones that are going to be worth getting, I could share that more on my blog on Instagram or create a video. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, I welcome you to hit a like, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching and happy savings. Bye.